everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Imbewu, the seat from the 7th to the 11th of November 2022 on Monday. Nokuzola confesses to working with Maharaj, and Nkululeko discovers he is a shareholder at Maluchu. Fikile feels the pressure from chemists to make contact with Nkululeko. She sees Buhle and agrees to meet with the family, but on her terms on Tuesday. Zitwele has a nightmare of Sakile murdering him and attacks Glamour's boy in a frenzy. Zagiti is dumbfounded to learn that Fikile is alive, and Mandlovu loses it when she discovers that Maharaj is a shareholder at Maluchu on Wednesday. Maharaj cuts a deal with Nkululeko to help him find Makosazana in return for Nkulu's help with something else. Kanyo blames Phakade for ruining things with Mzwandile. Zakiti and Mazulu are shocked when Nkululeko calls an emergency board meeting on Thursday. Mandlovu is shocked to see Fikile alive and makes a big effort to reconcile with her, but Fikile has no interest in connecting with the Bengo family. Zakiti attempts to dissuade Nkululeko from revealing the truth to the board, but he is determined to oust his sister as CEO on Friday. Nkululeko and Fikile's first face-to-face encounter, and when Fikile bolts, Maharaj arrives at Nirupa's place, but Nirupa chases him away. Mazulu and Sibongile arrives to visit the Tulele party, find Nokuzola there with Nozi. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.